Hi Thomas, so I've recreated your design that you've created on the Elfa tool using my own software, which is I've reverse engineered all of the Elfa components into SolidWorks. This is what I've come up with. I can guarantee you that will not work. This design will not work. Elfa melamine shelves, I think I said to you on the phone, it's not a good product. It's very weak, it has zero moisture resistance, it's easy to damage, it's got a chipboard core. These will bow and eventually snap with almost no weight on them. So just don't do this, it's not a good design. These spans are far too big. So using a white faced and edged moisture resistant MDF, and I can show you some sample images of that and lots of other projects I've done with it, I've created this with much shorter spans. I think they are 430 millimeters apart. That is going to be pretty much indestructible. Good level of damp and water resistance. You'll be able to spill stuff and put plants on that without worrying. The price I've got for the Elfa metalwork is about $5.50. I need to double check that because my spreadsheet prices are a little out of date. I've just added 10% there, so about $5.50. Now the boards, I've used my regular supplier C Workshop to calculate cutting and edging those boards out of moisture resistant white faced and edged MDF. We're ending up with a very inefficient cutting pattern. Now I've done a little bit of fiddling around. You know, this is worked out very expensive for these boards. If you can see it, you see this hatched area, that's all waste there. If we cut these in half and join them in the middle, there's Elfa supply a little product to make that really easy, and we reduce the depth. At the moment we've got 250 on some or all of them. You're easily going to be able to get inside one sheet, and that is, it's not going to half the cost, but it'll be very close to, and that will get you much closer to the £600 or nearly £700 you're getting for the Elfa product. For a vastly superior product, you'll be getting something that does work and lasts, instead of something that just will not work. There's not enough metal in that design, and those are crappy shelves. Don't do it. So if we can get the shelf depths, or some of the shelf depths, down to, say, you know, if we did those top 4 or 5 at 220, something like that, 230, or even under 200, and the rest of them are at or around 250 or under, we're going to be able to get a single sheet design there which will perform better, be about the same price, and it's going to look terrific. Okay, that's all for now. I hope that's of interest. Speak soon.